Major Vehicle Exchange 2013 Ford E350 TurtleTop VanTerra stock number A5370. Fully reconditioned non-CDL TurtleTop VanTerra Ford E350 14-seat bus with only 80k well-maintained miles. It has a Ford Triton V8 5.4L gas engine with automatic transmission and overdrive. We have serviced and inspected this bus from bumper to bumper and have detailed and touched it up to give it a great appearance. The bus was well cared for, on a maintenance schedule, and serviced regularly. Any repairs were done as needed to make this bus fit for any use. The cloth seats and the rest of the cabin are in great condition. The fiberglass and composite exterior of the bus show only minor wear and tear. All electrical and mechanical equipment is in proper working order. There are no known problems with this vehicle and the bus is 100% ready to go. Test drives are welcome. Clean title, accident-free vehicle history report. Clean, lightly used, and perfect for executive transport, parties, churches, families, or any group. Ideal for activity and outings for hotel, airport, and casino runs. Rides smoothly and handles well. Own this bus for just a fraction of its $125,000 replacement cost. Perfect for limousine service, church, sports teams, ranch and winery tours, and much more. This Ford TurtleTop bus is loaded with great equipment including an electric passenger door and a rear entertainment DVD system with a flat-screen monitor. It has numerous safety features and a full complement of comfort accessories. It can be used for trips, shuttle services, outings, and tours. Its comfortable cloth seats and rear luggage space provide enough passenger room to allow for long drives. The motor is perfect and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. All other mechanical functions work properly. The AC, front and rear, blows strong and cool, while the heat gives a warm and toasty feel. The tires are in excellent like new condition. This bus was quality built as you can tell by the coach, which looks great. The interior is in excellent shape, having been cleaned regularly with minimal wear and tear. This bus is guaranteed to provide passengers and drivers with a smooth and comfortable ride. Features and specifications. Ford 2013 E350 TurtleTop VanTerra engine. Ford gas 5.4L V8 Triton. Transmission 5-speed automatic with overdrive, electric door, wood trim throughout cabin, wood floor, reflective tinted glass, remote alarm system, flat-screen TV with DVD in luxury wood enclosure, full limousine accent lighting package, remote heated mirrors, speakers throughout cabin, stainless steel grab handles, rear luggage compartment, roof hatch, power windows and door locks, trailer hitch, driver and co-pilot entrance steps, rear view camera, air conditioning and heat front and rear. Cruise control, AM/FM stereo cassette WCD, cruise control, heated power mirrors, tilt wheel, heated passenger step, 14 passengers, includes co-pilot seat and driver seat. Please call Charlie at 516-333-7483 or visit us at www.getanybus.com.